The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, guys. Deepak, good morning. Fellas, today is Tuesday, August 16th. Paul, Dennis, Nick, guys, welcome. We had a decent day trading yesterday. Anybody that paid attention at the close at 11 o'clock stayed long. I told you we were going to grind higher. We did. If you guys, Chuck, good morning. Hubba, good morning. If you guys are here on trial, good morning and welcome back to day 2. Yes, it did, Mark. Thank you. I'll go over charts in a minute. We're looking soft this morning. Crude is looking actually pretty bullish this morning. I'll go over charts in a minute. Let me quickly read the disclaimer. We'll check news, look at charts, see what we might get today. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Don't trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. Target one hit, copper. Anybody take it? And still going if you got a runner. Boom chakalaka. Nasdaq coming down. Couple hundred sellers. Anybody take copper? Ooh, selling hard now. Nobody. Okay, Paul. One guy. Nice trade, Paul. Solar panels. So here's what I'm looking for in the, oh, there's a bot trade on gold. Could have been short 07 on crude. Missed that. I'm watching Natty Gas. Well, that was a quick spanking. At least it was painless. It was over quick. Gold's going back up. Nasdaq working down, holding this pivot, but I think we worked down to 627. David's got a secret strategy. Buy side global, secret strategy. It's a secret. Love that crap. $800 sellers. Natural gas has to get up through 153 and it pops. 150 maybe. Let me see here. Yeah, about 151, 152 and it pops. Democrats believe it. If this pops 150, you can see it right here. Right there, 150. This will get at least first target. There's first target. And out. Morning, Peter. Where you been, man? Yes, pulling back. Oh, nice. Hey, Leo, good morning. Guys, I'm just going to go get coffee. I'll be right back. I do not, but Dean does. Dean can probably tell you what bot does what at what time of day. You can reach out to Dean for that. He has all of that. Days of the week, longs versus shorts. Had 2 losing bot trades in natural gas. Nice job, Paul. SI. I'm just changing some charts around, guys. Man, natural gas blowing up again. Golly. Nasdaq's a short. Nasdaq, I think, is coming down. This may get hit, but it's wanting to come down. Yeah, it's just summer volume, Paul. I mean, these last 3 weeks are miserable. I mean, it really, the lack of volatility, the VIX isn't helping. Volume is not helping. You know, this market, like I said yesterday when we left the room, buy them and hold them. Clearly we were in longs, and we get these spurts at odd times. Crude looks like it's going to work down to 89.33 if anybody wants to try a crude short. Really like to see it below 73. I'm short crude at 77. That's the key. If you can, it's easy. I don't want to say it's easy, but it's easy to come back. If you're down when the market's zipping all over the place, especially the Nasdaq. It's easy to find 15, 20 handle trades. If you can come back when you're down, in this market, wait till we get back into September. I'm short crude at 77, fellas. Target one would be 50. If we break 71, target one is 55. And below that, we come 40. I'm trying to target. I'd like to get first target somewhere around 36, 37. There's a bot trade actually on crude now. Nice job, Paul. And we just came down to 59. And yet another bot trade on the ES. We have 3 bot trades. CL at 13. I'd love to get to 13, man. Thank you, Paul. Looks like Nasdaq hit first target. No, did not. Thank you, Doug. You should still be in the crude. I'd like to see at least 55 for first target. Trade them as you see fit, guys, always. This could bounce back to 79. $23 buyers, 24 buyers, 25. One contract trades, guys. That's all that's going on here. Come on, crude, flush it. Right here, sell them. If we break 60, we're getting that 55 if you want to take target. You guys, again, trade them as you see fit. But if we break that 60, we'll get 55 pretty quick. down to 8 buyers in this candle. 7. 6. It's all one contract trade. 5. Back to negative. There's 55. We hit 56. If you guys want to take some risk off there, you can. Now we're moving down. 35 is what I'm trying for. But we hit target 1. If we break 40, we're coming to 35 and then 20. There's target 1. So if you took the 77, you're up 34 ticks. We've now got a winner on Kappa, and crud. There's 40. Got to break 40, and we'll get 35 for what I want as target 1. There's 38. Come on, dog. 35. 36. Did we get 35 or 36? There's 34. Target 1 for me, hit and filled. Target 1, you're up 40 ticks. Trade them as you see fit. If we can break down below 31, she can keep coming. You got 40 ticks in this thing. Trade them as you see fit. Next level down is 24. Got to take out that little swing at 35. There it goes. Oh, hit it. Come on, 24. Next target. Come on, 24. All right. Well, we got my first target. Trade them as you see fit, fellas, on the balance. Trade them as you see fit. 8 minutes ahead of the open here. Nasdaq got target 1. ES fixing to get target 1 on the ES. Nasdaq hit target 2 and did not fill. Here is my Nasdaq target. Come here, you. That's my Nasdaq support right there, 35. There it is, target 2 hit. ES target 2 hit. Yeah, every once in a while I slide into Southern. Natural gas may be setting up for a short below 91.80, maybe 91.76. Still think crude is going to come to 24. Jesus, another bot trade. Natural gas. I don't particularly like this long on gas. Red Book retail sales, but who cares? Crude opens up here in 5 minutes, guys. You guys good on crude? Yeah, I don't know that it's going to hold. It may work down to that 27, but I think that holds. I mean, 8 handles through is still holding support for me. Missed a whale of a silver short. Whale. I know most of you guys don't trade it or won't trade it. Corn. We'll see what we get on the open. I'm watching corn. Copper is still going to work lower. And natty gas. Boy, I think natural gas. I mean, it could keep going, but I think it's going to roll. Come on, 24. Crude's got a double bottom down here on a 5-minute. It's just got to break right here, 33. And you'll get 24 as the next target. And then below 14, we're coming straight to 89, all the way down to 88.80, 88.70. I'm not digging natural gas. You're welcome, Peter. Nice job. It's all it takes. One small trade, up 830 bucks. You're done for the day. Where else can you go and make 800 bucks? I have not done that. No. Copper, yes, but not soybeans, wheat, cotton, or corn. Nobody will trade them. Nobody will trade them. Nice job, Ray. You know, I have, tried to teach guys for years that charts are charts, man. Yeah, Buy Side Global. There you go. You can go to Buy Side Global and make 800 bucks with the chipper. Maybe they're Chipper Jones fans. I don't know. Dude, I'll trade anything if it's moving. I don't care what it is. I am not keen on this natural gas long, though. Yep, chart's a chart, man. At least get me first target and I'd be ecstatic. Out on the crude, didn't break. I do think if natty gas rolls, it's got a long ways to roll. Okay, out on the Nasdaq runner and natural gas. Yeah. All right, guys. I am shutting my bots off for 9 o'clock. They're all done until I come back from breakfast. Stack buyers on NQ. Thank you. Thank you. ES still holding that 85 level. Guys, it's going to be a tricky trade today. Nice. You were down 1,600 and now you're up 1,310. Nice. Down 1,600 on what, Peter? Bots, your trades? a couple of early bot trades. Nice. So you were down 1,600. You're up 1310. Nice job. Imagine where we'd be with the chipper. Here comes what I think is going to be the crude downdraft. Let's see here, guys. All right. All my bots are off, fellas. Nope, not yet on that natural gas. This thing just keeps grinding higher. I'm taking my breakfast break. I will be back momentarily. Here comes your crude. It got that 24 target if you guys held out. I did not. I will be back, fellas, in about 20 minutes. So pre-market, we had a couple of trades, both winners. Nasdaq, if you throw that in there. I will be back 20 minutes or so. Coming into the open here, bots are up 930. My bots are all off at the moment. Oh, crude's getting punished now. Nice trade, Greg. I have calls from yesterday, which I'll probably sell. I'll see where I don't have a target. Let me look at. I can look at it. If we can maintain 136, if we get above 136 and maintain it. Last I looked, Walmart was up $5. I don't know where it is now. But above 136, we can go 142. What does that mean? Traction. I don't understand. up 2,000 for the day. Long. It's just sitting at entry. We're wedged between 27 and 55. Nasdaq is a long on the move above 47. Right here, 47 with a first target at 58. 47 and 58 is what it looks like. Small sellers, small buyers. This is just chinking. Gold got target 1 on the bot. Target 1 hit and filled on gold bot. Lost my bot on ES. I'll fix that. There you go. There's target number 1 on the Nasdaq. Target number 1 on the Nasdaq. Target 1 only. Natural gas came down a bit. Let's see here. Missed a nice YM trade. Nothing there. I really don't have a whole lot here, guys. Greg, you still short 29? No other bot trades, guys. Just that gold trade, and it looks like it's going to get taken out at break even on the 2 contracts. There you go. Down to 600 now. Come on down. If Nasdaq comes below 14, there's another bot trade somewhere. If Nasdaq comes below 14, it's going to get hit below 14. Target is 602 and then 94. 602 and then 94 below 14. ES. Boy, ES is hanging in there. This is a Nasdaq issue right now. 1,600 net sellers in the Nasdaq. Target 1 filled. Here comes your Nasdaq. Target 1 filled on the Russell bot. RTY's got target 1 and is at break even. These are the only bot trades we have on right now, guys. Gold has target 1 as that break even. Nothing else.
Still in 10-4 hours. 1-2 up on 30. 1-2 up on 15. Watch CPX.
A little slow, fellas.
So watch climb. Watch 8. Watch 9. Watch 10. Look like trying to break high yesterday.
Still think we're coming to 595 on the Nasdaq. Some buyers trying, but they're not going anywhere. Gold is trying to get to target number 2 at 32 ticks. Crude. Just a crude entry. Largely chopping around, guys. Natural gas would be along at 92.70. Silver, nice bid on silver out on the Russell runners. So the only bot trade is right here. Just looking at the markets right now. Nasdaq's off 62, ES off 4, YM is up 50, EMD is up, Russell is down. Damn, Tesla. Right. SPX. There's not much room. I don't have anything there. Nasdaq is soft. Just be patient, guys. Patient. If you took the short, you made money. I mean, we've taken 3 or 4 trades today. They've all been winners. There's, no reason to. No reason to get silly. Nasdaq, you've got a potential long. You got trying for a long, but they've got some buyers in here. It just can't maintain that. It could get back to 44. Nasdaq can get back to 44. But it looks like they're really trying to break this thing down. Yeah, part of summer trading, choppy.
See what they need. Well, they just reported as well.
All right, we have a bot trade somewhere. Natural gas. Let me take a look at that. I don't like it, but we had out on natural gas in a hurry. So I told you I didn't like that long. I bought Walmart calls yesterday. I had calls yesterday. I sold them at the close though for a small gain. I didn't want to hold into earnings. I thought it would run more if anybody held them. Let's see if we can get a Nasdaq to do something here. Crude is tradable. Natural gas is tradable. Nasdaq is really not. I mean, it looks longs here. If it gets through 33, it's going to go. You're welcome, Charlie. Nice job. Nice job. Nasdaq has got to get through 33 to do anything. And it's finding some buyers, but would be above here if it's going to go long.
Bond features are taking
Nice job, Lori. If anybody took the natural gas trade, now you're up. It's 242. My entry was 228. If anybody took that, I don't believe anybody did. 246. You guys got to learn to trade other stuff, fellas. Okay, Bob. Nice job.
just something you know to don't take up a high or probably 10-point job because what you expect before OMC.
Yeah, that's one I don't watch. I can. I mean, I only have so much screen space, but now it's at 252 from 228. 260. Boom. Yeah, Netty Gas. My man. That's that coming down. Neat. Here come the spies. Really? There we go. We bought SPX puts. I have SPX puts, fellas. They're now 540. Trade them as you see fit.
I don't see no news.
We held this bottom once again. Consequently, we're not getting any trades. There's no range. Anybody take the crude short? Okay. Take some risk off here at 70 right here. 70. If you're trading multiples, take some off. Natty Gas is a short. Yeah, she's a short. It could bounce back up to 214. It just did and fail here, but it's a short. My bot didn't get a short on CL. Here comes Natty Gas, guys. Nasdaq, you got a long to 13. You have a long on the Nasdaq at 601, 602. Target is 12. Target one is 12. Small BS target, and then get it on a runner. Copper is coming down as well. Target one on crude is 173. 173. I'm sorry, natural gas. 170. Oh, there's the bot trade. 173 on natty gas. What's that, guys? My damn chart disappeared. Now what month is natural gas? Anybody? Is it September, right? I'm not getting data. Yeah, I'm not getting data. Have a bot trade finally on gold. There's 178. Come on, give me 173. 174, target one. 174. And then free after that. Nasdaq right back to that entry around 0102. Should get 12. Target one. 6,300 sellers now in the ES. Nasdaq hanging out around 13. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm just going to get, and I'm falling asleep. Not really, but this is some boring trade, isn't it? If you guys want to buy puts on SPX, I would, or calls, whatever we do, I would say that you want to buy them for tomorrow. The price action today, 0 DTE, it's just sideways. You're going to get killed in decay. So if you get in the money, you may want to close them, take a small position. If you already have 4270 puts, if you want to close them and take some money or roll them out till tomorrow, I think you're better off. Deepak, you agree? Natty Gas blowing through that target number 1 and now falling like a brick. Anybody got runners going on Natty Gas? I mean, the hell with the Nasdaq, fellas. Seriously. And the ES. There's 1,000 things we can trade and make money. Silver, long silver, 155. Long gold. You'll be short at 083 on natural gas? Okay, Greg. Just remind me, will you? Nice job, Chuck. $800 on Natty Gas. Nice job. Guys, if you're taking trades, you got to be making money. You have to be. Is there anybody that's not making money today? Is there anybody that's losing money? Thank you, Deepak. Okay, Dan. You're flat, but trading cautious. I'm losing money working full time. Yeah, I would agree with you, Deepak. I would agree with you. So text me exactly what your trade was. Will you text that to me? Sell what, buy what, sell what. I need it exactly. Thank you, man. This is just a typical summer trade, guys. And it may be because of FOMC minutes. I have no idea. Nor do I care. All I know is it's slow. 10:30, we'll get a volume update. Tesla's low yesterday was 03 area. If we came down into that, I'd probably look at calls. See something. Let me look at the markets. Tesla's now down. Zoom is off $9. The only real green, guys, is Walmart, up $7. 3 weeks ago, they guided down and warned Then they beat lowered expectations and they get rewarded with a massive buy. That's crazy. Copper looks like it wants to come down again. Crude oil is coming down again. Crude is shorts. Crude needs to get below 89 bucks and it'll get hit again, but it's short. I like gold and silver long, but let me look at those again. Yeah, I like gold long. There's just not a lot of momentum with gold or anything. That's the only reason I'm hesitating. We closed above VWAP. You have to be long. I'm looking at crude again for another small pop. I mean, drop on the downside. Really need it below 89.05. Nasdaq is breaking through my support zone and could come all the way down to, well, not much further. 57 would be the next area for a potential bounce on the Nasdaq. 57 does not look good.
Kenny,
Okay,
I use the 5, 9, and the 20. 5,
put spread. Sell 40. Let me see what I can get for credit here.
and I don't use EMAs for entries. I use EMAs to like buy trades. Tell me direction of a trade. Or tell me
Buy 43.70.
watch the fact that SPY has been linking up this pivot, which is SPY 2768. So whether or not we want to cross straight up back to the side or break down. I like
43.20s. That was on native gas. That's what I did. Sell today. Oh, today's the 16th. That's why. It's still not right. The middle's $50. That can't be right. Okay, there we go. Something's wrong. Let's see what the hell we've got here. We have a short on crude on the bot. 42.70s are now 520. Here comes crude. Short crude, fellas. Short crude. Short crude. Missed natural gas. Greg, what was your number? Copper is coming down also. Crude, natty gas short to 90.57. Natty gas short to 90.57. 90.57 on natty gas, guys. SPX is now breaking down. If you guys have SPX puts from earlier, they're now 540. You should all be in the money. So trade them accordingly. There's target 1 on crude bot, target 1 on crude, out on gold. Gold is bid. The bot was short. Okay, Becky. All right, guys. Those SPX puts are now 670. Well in the money. You should be up 30 to 50, 60%, depending on where you bought them. Trade them accordingly. Banging them out again today. I don't care where the money comes from. I do not care. Options, bot, does not matter to me. Futures, as long as we're making money every day, fellas. It's a beautiful day. 690 on the offer now, 690. Nasdaq's going to trade into yesterday's low, 495. Uh-oh, here comes natty gas, Greg. So am I. I'm in at 86. Yeah, first target should be 57. Need this to break back below 90 pretty quick. Or once it breaks back below 90, it should keep coming, I would think. I mean, hell, this thing could come 89.50, 89.55 if it gets rolling. Oh, natural gas, you're a rat bastard. Rat bastard. You got to stop on this, buddy? $2.54. Okay. There we go. Come on, back below 90. 57, target 1. Come on, buddy. Come on. Pick out that swing at 73. Held the bottom on a 3-minute. Needs to break that 74, 73. ES crude was a great short. Copper was a great short. Natural gas is trying. I have supported 057. And then I've got a bottom at 74 on natural gas. 74. And we could work down to 89. I mean, it could come 89.50 if they sell some of these damn things. We got 1,400 net buyers on the session. I got 2 sellers in this candle. We had 153 in the previous. Here comes ES, guys. That SPX trade was a nice trade. SPX was a really nice trade. You're in the money on silver. YM is bid right here, 945. You can take YM long. You can take YM long. Corn, nothing. Nobody took silver. You're up about 15 ticks on silver if you'd have taken silver. Guys, we're coming into the top of the hour, and this is a lethargic at best trade. There's target 1 on the Nasdaq. Target 2 on the Nasdaq. Doop-de-doo. Doop-de-doo. Out on the runner. Guys, I'm basically done for the day. I still like those 4270 puts on SPX. We're working off, let's just check volume for the hell of it. We're working off obvious overbought. 1030, 21% below. Not as bad as yesterday. We're still missing volume to be expected, but the market is working off overbought before I think we make one more push higher. And the only way to work off overbought is sideways or, a pullback. Is there anybody not making money today? I do not believe I had a losing trade today. In fact, I know I didn't. All right, guys. Crude's not going to take another trade for me. You're welcome, Albert. Is there anybody that did not pay themselves today? Now, if you didn't take any trades and you're at zero, okay, I don't care. That's your prerogative. Is there anybody that lost money today? I have to work, guys, with what the market gives me, and it isn't like it's given us 100 handle ranges. All right, so nobody's answering. I'm going to presume then that nobody lost money. All right, guys, I'm going to turn off my bots. Call it a day on the bots. Gold is what chopped me up today. You're welcome, Ozzy. For the record, the bots were down $1,915 for me today. 1915. They were up 3,100 yesterday. So bots lost $1,900 today. Minus $1,915 on the bots. Yesterday was up 3102. You got lucky. Your bots got, yes, I didn't see it, but I got winner for CI bot trade. So is it profit target for the day? Nice. I mean, you knew enough to shut it off. Nice. I mean, that's the way to do it. My bots were up 900 and change when I took my breakfast break. Right? You know, common sense. We're in a sloppy market. You guys can see it. I mean, today may have been the fewest order flow trades I've offered. Nice job, Barry. Today may have been the fewest order flow trades I've offered in months. Personally, in my account, in my live account, I only took 5 trades and 1 option trade, all winners. 1 Nasdaq trade, that's all I took. You're welcome, Peter. 2 crude trades, 2 natural gas trades, and an SPX put trade, all winners. Remember, guys, we take what the market gives us. Anybody have any questions, guys? Natty Gas looks like she's coming down for anybody that might be interested. Natural gas is a short below 114, so maybe 112, 110. All right, guys, I'm going to wrap it up. I'm done. This is way too slow and sloppy for me. I made my money. I'm good. We did not have a losing order flow trade today. Bots did not have a good day, but you know, crude. You know, if you look at the bots, crude had a great trade today. Nice short here. Winning short here. Great long here at 652. That was a losing trade. That was early this morning. Crude bot had a great day. The ES did not. We're in a shitty little range. You know, the 8 range. Whoop, turn that off. Nasdaq winning trade here. Nasdaq winning trade here. Winning trade here. And that was before 6 a.m. All winning trades on the Nasdaq. So crude and Nasdaq did their job. Crude and Nasdaq did its job. Russell did its job, only took the 1 trade because I don't turn that on until the market open. All 3 targets on the Russell. Nasdaq, Russell, crude, muy bueno. Gold. This is my first gold trade here. Immediate loss. Second, this is the second trade, first target only. And then the third trade went to a loss as well. So most of the loss is in gold. It's all in gold. Guys, have a blessed day. I will see all of you tomorrow.